The ultimate dad hacks, tips and tricks for making fatherhood a breeze. Hello and welcome back to the Happy Fathers. In today's video, we're going to be talking about some ultimate dad hacks that will help you make fatherhood a breeze. Being a dad is a wonderful experience, but it can also be challenging at times. These hacks will help you manage your time, save money, and make your life as a dad easier. Hack 1: The baby carrier. If you have a young baby, a baby carrier is an essential tool for you. It will allow you to carry your baby around while you have your hands free to do other things. You can even use it while you're doing household chores. Hack 2: Use games to teach your kids. One of the best ways to teach your kids is by playing games with them. For example, you can play I Spy to teach your child about colors, or Simon Says to teach them about following instructions. By incorporating learning into playtime, you're making it more fun for your child, and they'll be more likely to remember what they learned. Hack 3: Get your kids involved in cooking. Cooking with your kids is a great way to bond with them and teach them valuable life skills. You can start with simple tasks like measuring ingredients or stirring, and gradually increase the complexity as they get older. Not only will they learn how to cook, but they'll also develop healthy eating habits. Hack 4: Do it yourself. When it comes to home repairs and maintenance, it can be tempting to call a professional. However, there are many things you can do yourself with a little research and practice. This not only saves you money but also teaches your kids valuable skills they can use later in life. Hack 5: Get active with your kids. Getting outside and being active with your kids is essential for their health and well-being. You can go for a bike ride, play catch, or go for a walk together. Not only does this help your kids stay active, but it also strengthens your bond with them. And there you have it, folks. 5 ultimate dad hacks that will help you make fatherhood a breeze. I hope you found these tips useful, and if you have any hacks of your own, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and dad jokes. Until next time, keep on dadding.